Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to permanently disable your Google Discover feeds on your Android phone. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So let's get started. So for this guys, first you need to open the Google app on your phone like this. Okay, after opening, in the top right side corner of your screen you can get your Google profile picture. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. In the settings, go to journal. In the journal, here you can get the option discover. If you want to disable it permanently, just you need to turn off this option. That's it. Now when you open the discover feed, now it will not show you the discover feeds on your screen, as you can see guys. So this is the very easy and very simple method to disable it permanently. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.